What's up? Redstone active, and I'm gonna come right back to you when I'm done building the giant explosion. Alright, what's up, guys? Back done the whole entire TNT. Then I got penguegamer here. He helped me out. So yeah, let's get this explosion all set up. Alright, son, are you ready? Are you ready, son? Why? Why are you not ready? Penguin? What does that mean? There's a penguin in there. What the? No, there's not. Yes. Oh, I'm going to get the explosion ready. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes. I'm doing it. And explode. Guys. It's lagging. What is going on? Wait. Guys, I think it crashed. Yep, it crashed. Wait. Something's going on. What is going on? Guys. If that's gonna happen again, guys, it officially crashed. Just gonna wait. First time this ever, yep, crashed. Anyhow, it crashed, guys, so won't see so we can't see what happened at the end, but yeah, peace out.